Well, winter is here, and that means it's time to protect your home from cooler weather. Here are a few essential winter maintenance tips to keep your home in great shape. First, check your heating system. Have your HVAC system inspected and change the filters to ensure it's running efficiently. This not only keeps you warm, but also keeps your energy costs lower. Next, inspect your home for drafts. Sealing gaps around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulk can prevent heat loss and keep your home cozy. Don't forget about your pipes. Insulate exposed pipes in unheated areas to avoid freezing and bursting. On the outside, keep your gutters clean to prevent ice dams, which can damage your roof and siding, and make sure outdoor faucets are turned off and drained to avoid freezing. These simple steps can save you from costly repairs and keep your home safe all winter long. If you have any questions or need great recommendations for contractors, I'm happy to help. My number is 919-740-0379. Make it a great day.